Okay, here we are, next truck. It's almost as if I have an infinite supply somewhere, but I don't. This is one of the last ones I know of in my area. But yeah, this will be the next one that I'll be building and selling. Got a few little bits to sort out on it. Like I would like to sort out this wing, try and replace it or repair it, one of the two, to tidy up the door. I got a load of welding to do to the sills. Really, the only bad bit externally at the back is just this dent in here, which is such a shame. If that wasn't there, I would keep the truck as it is, or I'd convert it into a pickup like my green one over there. I could repair it, but it depends on what I decide. But I'll probably end up cutting the back of this truck off. Such a shame because it's so tidy. The back door looks pretty good. I don't think it's got any rot in it down at the bottom. We'll better find out. No, the bottom of the door's tidy as well. Bottom of the doors are lovely, no rot in there. All around the inside. The only problem with the rot is when it looks at this little blemish here. The rest of the door though looks absolutely fine as far as I can see. Absolutely mint door. So that'll be one going into spares. But yeah, this is the next one. And the plan is like that blue Riviera, chop it in half, put a bed on it on the back. Whether or not I'll do a box or what I'll do, I don't know yet. But yeah, it's not looking too bad. And the one good thing about this truck, it's only done 65,000 miles, which is basically only just broken in. So yeah, that's the next truck ready to be built. Before I pull out this bar that goes up and around, is it zoomed in? No, it's not, but it's just where it sits. I just wanted to show you, if you want to know the exact date or the day it came out of the factory, all you got to do is look at the seat belts, and on there you can see April 1993. So this was one of the first. On the other bit, I don't think there's anything interesting in the other bit. Nah, it's just the E numbers. But this one has been replaced at some point because I looked at the date on this one first and I was shocked when I saw it said June 2007. So that seatbelt has been probably eaten by a dog and then replaced. Which would explain why I found in here a spare seatbelt cover for on there, and yet they all have them. I can't point to them all, but yeah, they all have them anyway. So anyway, I'm going to carry on. Well, as you can see, it's pretty holy. Holier than the fucking Pope, this thing. Down here. There. Yep. That's fucked. And obviously down there's fucked. Along there's all fucked. Like, you can push the skin away from that. All this is fucked. And down there's fucked. Just there, that's fucked. All around the seatbelt mount's a bit shit. There you go. Oh, there you go. Oh dear, that's the exhaust mount. That's fucked. Yeah, fuck around there. Fuck there. This is full of glue, but that, I think it's pretty good along there. That there, yep, there you go, that's fucked. Yeah, it's all pretty fucked. And obviously all down there is fucked. So, yeah, it is a lot of work to make it road legal again, so chopping it in half I think is the best option. Bit of a shame, but because most of it's pretty good. I've certainly seen worse, but because it's rotted all these little places, I don't want to go around placing up all these tiny little bits because it's only going to cause more rot in the future. So sadly, all of that's got to go, just like those two have. I've got to scrap them two bodies. Yeah, I've still got them. Oh well, pardon me. Oh well. Next job's lift the roof off, I think. No, I've got to go back, tidy the garage up so I can actually fit the truck in there. So next job is to tidy up the garage so I can actually fit the truck in. So all these little projects I keep doing has been filling up the garage, so right, time to carry on. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. Here you go, put the ignition on, do the old squirt, and the rear wiper actually works. It's very rare when I've ever seen one of those work. That's amazing. Right, I think I've already explained what's going on. So it's rotten down there, rotten over there, rotten over there, rotten there. It's rotten everywhere, just in little spaces. It's a shame because most of the truck is pretty solid, but oh well, it has to be done, and it sells for more if you chop it out in half and do all that. So I've just dismembered. I've just removed the door card from there and just fitted it to the white truck. So that's now got a door card again. It's been missing a door card for a good 4 months, 5 months. Because obviously, if you remember, I painted this back door, which so far it's stayed white. It's doing all right. I need to clean it, but the door's doing okay. Yeah. The only bit is it's rusting a little bit down here, which didn't surprise me, and I do believe it's going to be rusting just there. But that's what's happened. Yeah, so door cards on here, and I didn't realise these plastic ones, because whenever I've seen them, they're missing. They have a proper little little latch. This is why it gets lost though. There's no actual hinge, but that's for obviously the rear screen wash, and they have a proper little lock, which I quite like. I really like that a lot more than the horrible little Velcro flap that the cloth ones have. Anyway, so that's the door card done. Toolbox is there, and welder's not in the back of the truck at the moment because it's at home ready for when I need to weld this truck up. And I've also pinched the little lock thing, the door stay, because the one that was in here is in here somewhere. I had broke it and it wasn't holding the strap anymore. Anyway, so that's it really. Next time you see the video, well, the next video you'll see will probably be the roof off this, back chopped off, and me welding the back in and just going over the general repairs of the truck really. Right then, let's shut these doors and say goodbye.